Title: The Biggest Breast in the World Record is Deep Psychology Facts About Human Behavior. Humans have always been fascinated by extremes, whether in size, strength, or beauty. When it comes to physical attributes, certain extremes often capture our attention, like the record for the largest breasts in the world. But beyond the obvious curiosity, there's a deep psychological reason why such extremes intrigue us. The current world record for the largest natural breasts is held by Annie Hawkins Turner, also known as Norma Stitz, whose bust size has been officially measured at 102 Zs. At first glance, this might seem purely sensational, but human psychology reveals more about our reaction to such extremes. Humans are wired to notice things that deviate from the norm. Evolutionary psychologists suggest that extreme features, whether unusually large, small, or rare, trigger a combination of fascination, curiosity, and even desire. This is partly because the brain pays more attention to stimuli that are uncommon, as these could signal opportunities or threats in the natural world. Interestingly, studies on human attraction also show that exaggerated features can have a subconscious influence. Large breasts are often associated, psychologically, with fertility, nurturing, and sexual availability. While these associations are not absolute and vary by culture, they illustrate why people tend to fixate on extremes. This fixation is amplified in cases like Annie's, because the scale is so far beyond what is typical. Yet, there's another layer. Extreme physical attributes often challenge social norms and provoke discussion. People feel a mixture of admiration, disbelief, and judgment when confronted with such records. This combination of emotions explains why stories about world records, especially those involving the human body, go viral so easily. The brain is essentially responding to something highly unusual and emotionally charged. Moreover, for the individuals themselves, holding such a record is more than a number, it becomes part of their identity. They are seen as unique, celebrated, or even controversial, which psychologically reinforces their sense of self and how others perceive them. In summary, the fascination with the world's largest breasts isn't just about sexual curiosity or shock value. It's a mix of evolutionary psychology, attention to extremes, cultural symbolism, and social dynamics. Understanding why we are drawn to these records helps us grasp the deeper workings of human behavior. Our brains are naturally attracted to what is rare, exaggerated, and emotionally striking.